Hi class. What I want to do today is, this is part one of two videos. First, I'm going to make a video on how to make an appointment with me to meet me on Confer Zoom via our Canvas shell. So I'm going to show you how to make an appointment. And then the next video, I'm going to show you how to access Confer Zoom. So, the first video is how to make an appointment with me, the one I'm showing you on Confer Zoom. If you want to make an appointment with me, if you want to meet me personally, like via the course shell during my office hours, it's not a class and it's not a requirement. It's just if you have a particular question you have, or you want to go over your paper with me together, or anything that you want to personal that you have that you don't feel comfortable writing about in an email, you can make an appointment with me on Confer Zoom to meet on Confer Zoom. And let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to go into student view first because I'm in the teacher view. Okay, and where you go is where it says view course calendar. So you click on view course calendar. Then you click on appointments. And for whatever class that you're in, if you're enrolled in my 1A or if you're enrolled in my 1C, whichever class you are, you make sure that you pick that class and then you click submit. So what you have here is appointments that say conference hours. So if you want to make an appointment on Thursday at 9:30, you would click that on, and you would put in the comments section what it is that you want to discuss during the appointment. So it could be that you have a question about your paper that you want me to go over, or you have something personal that you want to go over, but just kind of summarize so I have a heads up of what it is that you want to discuss, so I can have whatever it is I need necessary with me during the appointment. It could be a section in the book, and then put your page number, or it could be something else, whatever it is. So just make a little summary of what it is that you want and then click on reserve. That way I will have your name, and I will know that you have an appointment with me. So it's really important that you kind of do these appointments in advance, because if you do an appointment, if I look in the morning and I don't see any appointments, and all of a sudden it's 11 o'clock and you decide to make an 11:30 appointment, I may not get to you on that day. So you should make your appointments at least 24 hours in advance, so I have a heads up of what's going on. So I usually check my calendar once a day. So if you make the appointment late, you may not get an appointment. I may not come on Confer Zoom. So please make sure that you reserve the appointment at least 24 hours in advance. I usually put on the calendar 2 weeks of appointments, and I block out the times in half-hour slots, so I give you a whole half hour to make an appointment. So make sure that you click on reserve. You'll see your name on the calendar, and that's how you make an appointment. So the next video is going to be about how I meet you on Confer Zoom. Okay? Bye.